Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to generate username and password for 1688 with Alipay. This is really easy. The first step we need to do is open our Me auction right here in our Alipay app. We're gonna click this auction right here, Me, and then we're gonna click auction, this auction right here, okay? This arrow right here, and then you're going to see um this auction right here to modify. Here you can change your real name clicking this button, and you can change your password clicking this login password and Alipay password. Okay, or you can select your security center to more help. This is it, and I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.